Hey everyone, how's it going? For today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to draw a tape measure. So I hope you follow along and enjoy this video today. Now to start off with our tape measure, we're going to begin by just drawing a line that's going to come across here. So we're going to start with just a line that's going to come right across. Next, after we have that line, I'm going to go and draw a little line that's going to come up and in. Almost kind of looks like a small foot. Now, I want to start back here, and I'm going to draw a line that's going to curve up. So we're just going to bring this out a little bit, and then it's going to come up to here. Next, right here, we're going to draw a line that's going to curve up and down just a slight little bit there. Then we're going to take this line, we're going to bring it out and then come into here. So we're going to go out and then into here. Now we're going to make this look a little bit three-dimensional. So I'm going to start right up here, and I want to draw a little bit of a diagonal line right there, and then another diagonal line right here. Next, we're going to make a diagonal line right here. Now I just want to connect it. So we're going to make another line that's just going to curve to here. And then another one that's just going to go out and down to here. Now starting here, I'm going to make a little line that's just going to come down, and it's going to stop about halfway. Then we'll just connect it to here. That's where the little part of the tape is going to come out. Now right here, let's make a nice long line. And then we're going to draw another long line right out here. Then we just want to connect it right there. And I'm going to make a little line that's going to come right to here. Now, starting here, we're going to make a line that's going to go down, it's going to go over, and then up. And we're going to make a little line that's going to come down and connect to here. Next, we're going to make a line that's going to go up and then over. Now, starting over here, we want to make a little button on here. So what we're going to do is let's draw two little curved lines. Then we're going to draw a line across to connect them. And let's draw another line across, or that comes down right here. Then we'll make a little line that's going to go up, over, and then down. And we'll do the same thing here. We'll go down, over, and then up. And I'm just going to add some little lines right across here for some detail. Now, right here, let's make a line that's just going to come right to the top of that little rectangle and down to here. Then we're going to make a little curved line right there. And right here, let's draw a line that comes right to this line here. Now, starting right here, I want to make a nice big circle. So we're just going to draw a nice big circle shape right here on the side of our tape measure. And right along here, what we want to do is just add some little lines. So we're just going to add a couple little lines. We'll make a little bit longer one. Then we'll add a couple more, and then a really long one. So we'll add a couple short ones, a little bit longer one, a couple more short ones, and then a nice really long one. Now you can leave your tape measure just like this, or if you want to, you can add a funny face on here. I'm going to go and add a circle on here for an eye. I'll add another circle over here. I'm going to put a little black dot inside each one. We'll draw a line across, and a line's going to go down and up. We'll make a little sad face for the tongue. Then if you want to, you can add some little teeth on here. And I like to color in the mouth really quickly, just to make a little bit of detail. And there you go, there is your drawing of a funny little tape measure. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed.